Okay, next one. Sige lang, drawing ka na. Color ka na, color. Yeah, finish coloring it. Is that a mango? That's a pear. Oo, anak. Si Leila. Hindi ko alam sino na. Sige na, finish that. Finish coloring it. Finish coloring it. Leo, iba yung si Leo. Sige na. Oh.
Tapos pwede ako kay Batman.
Batman.
Picture kami ni Batman, ha?
Opo. Sige na, finish mo. Konti na lang.
Video ko si Batman,
Oo.
ha?
Sige, may ginagawa mo. Opo.
Overall, Batman. Car.
Sige, konti na lang, oh. Tapos mo na. Dahan-dahan lang, makalumagpas. Yay! O, show it to mami. Wow! That's a pear. Okay, smile ka na dito. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Smile na, smile.
What's this?
What color is that?
Black.
Black. Prepare mo. What color do you need pa? Green. Okay. 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 Oh, first color. Ano yung first color? Black. Okay.
Number 1 again.
Okay.
Dinosaur.
It's not dinosaur.
Yeah. Lion. Lion. Yours like dinosaur, no?
Opo.
Ito kasi like the dog. And that is a dinner lunch.
Okay, what's next? Color. Green. so hard.
Yes.
Okay. But you did it. But you did it.
Yeah, I did it.
Sige na, finish coloring it. You have to color it beautiful, ha? Beautiful, okay? Lagpas ba? Hindi naman. Okay naman, no? DF yan, A pa rin. That's still a A. Write mo A. Good. Oh, next naman. Wow! You graded yourself. A! Okay, A+. Okay, next. Finish coloring it. And then, after you finish it, you grade yourself also A. Just like a butterfly. Okay. Grabe yung imagination mo, ha? Ha? No, it's not a butterfly. Okay, it's a strawberry. May watermelon pa dyan. Finish mo muna yan and then we color it later. Careful, wag lumagpas.
Here, hold it first. And let me take it.
Okay, mommy will give it to you later after you finish coloring it. Oh, slowly, wag lalagpas. Tignan mo yung lines.
Yes. Apple.
Apple.
Color pink. And
Your book is color pink.
you do the heart.
You can do it. Sige na. You can do it. Oops, slowly. Huwag lalagpas para maganda. Konti pa, meron pang white, oh. Meron pang mga white, oh. Sige na. Oh, you can finish it later. You want to color it the red one? Okay. Okay, color the strawberry now. Okay, you can do it. Finish mo muna yan before you, before the next. Diba? You have to color it. Oh, pangit pag hindi natapos.
Ito na lang ito, no?
Ha? Paggising,
Gusto ko na magligo eh.
ligo ka muna.
Yeah.
Oh, sige na.